So I'm a bit late starting this video, but I wasn't sure how it turned out. But this is the batter. It's a cake batter, as you can see, and it's made from cauliflower. Yes, you heard me right, cauliflower, PB2 and cocoa powder, and what else have I got in there? Sweetener, vanilla, almond extract, an egg, baking powder. Anyway, I'll put the recipe up in a minute. I'm just going to pop that into some little individual cake cases I've got here and see how it turns out. So there you are. I've had a quick taste of the cake batter. I love cake batter. It's very naughty, I know. So I've got 6 little cakes there, and I've still got enough there for a good size muffy one, I reckon. So I'm going to pop those in the oven at 180 for around about 20 minutes and see how they turn out. So 20 minutes later, they're cooked. They've got a very strange appearance. It's a bit like, I don't know, a brownie. Something or other, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to let them cool and I'm going to try them on, but just pour that on a pot, you can see. It's got like a cake-like texture, so it will be interesting how they are when they're cooled down.